Hello, I saw your question in the email. You want us to construct Chapter 6, Section 2, construct the indicated confidence interval for the population mean mu with, they mentioned t-distribution. I guess the population standard deviation is not known is why we're doing this. Assume the population is normally distributed. So you're given the confidence interval, you want 95%, given the sample means 12.1, sample standard deviation is 0.82, and that's why we're doing a t-distribution, because you don't have the population standard deviation. And your sample size is 13, and you want to put in the lower limits and the upper limits. So the easiest way to do this, you could do it by hand and table and stuff, but StatCrunch, if you go in this, click on stat and then t distribution and one sample t summary. So click on stat there and t stat. Yeah, click on stat t stat one sample t summary. Then you just put the values in that you're given, the 12.1, 8.2, 13, a 95% confidence interval. You click compute, it'll give you the upper and the lower limits. The lower limit goes here, upper limit here. Just once you round to one decimal. So StatCrunch will do the calculations for you. Hope that helps.